Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to screen mirror the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G to TV. This is going to work out for any type or brand of TV you have. Now first things first, there are basically two ways you can screen mirror your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. If you're using any TV that is not an Android or a Google TV like your LG WebOS TV or your Samsung TV, your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, just any TV that is not an Android or a Google TV, it is actually simpler. All you just have to do is to make sure that your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G is actually connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network as the TV, and then you just want to swipe down through this notification center, proceed to click on the Smart View feature over here, and automatically your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G should be able to find the name of the TV. As you can see, this is actually the name of my LG TV. All you just have to do now is to select it and then click on Start Now, and then you also want to click on the accept button on your TV to accept the screencasting, and now you should be able to screen mirror your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G to your TV without any problem. But keep in mind that this will not work for an Android or a Google TV. Now for an Android or a Google TV, you have to get a third-party app, which is actually the Google Home app. You want to head over to the Google Play Store, then make sure you download and install this Google Home app into your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Once it is downloaded and installed, you want to open it up directly from here. Make sure you follow all of the on-screen instructions, give it all of the permission it requires, and then sign into your Google account. You will also be required to turn on your Bluetooth. Just turn it on and you should be taken to a page that looks just like this. Once you get here, click on the devices tab at the top over here, which is this icon, and then you're going to see the name of your TV. Also make sure that your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G is actually connected to the same Wi-Fi as your Android on your Google TV. Then proceed to select the name of your TV from over here. Mine is literally here. I'll just select it, then click on the Cast My Screen feature. Now just go ahead and click on Cast Screen. Come over here where we have the Cast One app, open it up, and then make sure you select Cast Entire Screen, then click on Cast Screen, and automatically you should now be able to cast your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G to your Android or your Google TV as well. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.